Hi, this is Katura with Blue Notary, and today we're going to be looking at how you can access API integration, webhooks, and white labeling from your Business Pro account. Here on our homepage, we're going to go to Settings, and we're going to scroll down to these three menus: API integration, webhooks, and white label. And as we open each one, we can see what each one does. So starting with API integration, this integrates Blue Notary directly into your workflow. You can automate session creation, retrieve documents, and manage your notarization pipeline programmatically. And we also have a documentation tab that can open with instructions about API integration. Moving on to webhooks, you can configure your webhook endpoints and event subscriptions here. So you can set up webhooks to receive instant notifications when sessions are created, completed, or updated, and keep your systems in sync automatically. We also have documentation here that will open in a new tab showing you how to use your webhooks. Lastly, we'll go to white label. White labeling is when you can launch a fully white label notarization platform running on your own custom URL. Your signers and notaries will see your company branding, logo, and domain with no mention of Blue Notary. This is where you would be able to set up white labeling after your call with sales. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're ready to bring your notarizations online, visit BlueNotary.us today.